Tom, you're bad. You're the bad bird. Are you the bad? What? What? Tell him you're bad. Tell him you're bad. Go ahead. What? You're not going to perform. You don't like cameras, do you? Huh? You going to tell him you're bad?
Better hurry, Terry.
Oh.
Angel.
What? What? Tell him you're bad. Tell him. You're a bad bird. Yes, you are. You're a bad bird. You're right in my ear. Tell him you're bad. You're really bad. Tell him you're bad. You're the bad bird.
You need to take a movie on that and send it to that
You're bad, ain't you?
Hey!
Finish home videos.
She's laughing.
She does laugh.
Can you hear her laughing? She's
Uh-huh.
laughing right in my ear,
She's laughing.
ain't you? Are you the bad bird? Tell him, you're bad. Huh? You're a cuddly bird too, ain't you? You scratch, yes. Tell him you're bad. Ain't you? You're bad. Yes, you are.
She has
You're
no
bad.
feathers. She's just, it's funny. She is all just down.
Yeah, she prunes herself right out. Everything but her head. Can you get up? What? Come on. What? She can't.
She wants a close-up.
You're the bad bird, ain't you? Yeah, there you go. I'm bad. Yeah, I'm bad. Look at you. Yes. Wow, look at you. Uh-huh.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
What, Randy's performing?